Hi friends, Chitra here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn what is called CPR, that is Central Pivot Range. CPR is a versatile technical indicator usually comprising of three levels. So what are those three levels? First is the central pivot point, that is the pivot point P. Okay. Next is the top central level, that is the top level, that is TC. Third one is the bottom central level, that is called the BC. So here we can see that this is called the CPR. There are three levels mainly. The first, the bold line is called the pivot point, that is a central pivot point. The top level, this is called TC, top central level. The below there is one line, this is called BC, bottom central level. So these are the main three levels for the CPR. Now we can see how this central pivot point is calculated. This calculations levels are very easy. So first is the TC. TC is what? Top central level. Top central level equal to pivot subtracted the BC level, that is bottom central level plus pivot. Next is pivot. Pivot equal to previous high plus previous low addition previous close divided by 3. Next is BC. BC is equal to bottom central level, that is equal to previous high plus previous low divided by 2. So we can understand how the CPR formula is and all the three variables are calculated. The CPR formula, all the three levels are calculated using just three variables. They are the high, low and the close price. So when you add the CPR levels in the stock chart, TC is the highest, pivot is at the center and BC is at the lowest level. So TC is called the top central level and BC is the bottom central level and pivot is at the center. So this is how the TC, BC and pivot is calculated by using the three variables, that is high, low and close price of the particular stock. A pivot point is a technical analysis indicator or the calculation which is used to determine the overall trend of the market over different time frames. So we can use this pivot point, that is CPR, in different time frames also. So on the subsequent day, the trading above the pivot point is thought to indicate that there is a bullish sentiment in the market. So if the price is trading above the pivot point, it indicates that there is a bullish sentiment in the market. While trading below the pivot point indicates that there is a bearish sentiment in the market. So using this, we can analyze the trend of the market. What are the significance of using pivot points? Pivots are simple support and resistance lines in our chart. With the help of pivot points on the chart, we can see the boundaries, that is where the price can take the support and resistance. Okay, so if the price is at resistance, then we can look for entering into the PE trade, that is the short trade. We can look for selling opportunities at the resistance zone. And if the price is at the support level, same wise, we can look for long trade. Okay. Pivots are stagnant on the chart. It never changes with the time frame. Means when we are using moving averages or other indicators, it will keep on changing like RSI. These all the indicators will change in the live market, but pivots are stagnant on the chart. It never changes with the time frame. Pivots are purely derived by the price. Pivots are leading indicators and not the lagging indicator. Pivots are believed to be used by big players, professional, institute, etc. So now we can see how is the resistance and the support levels in the CPR is calculated. So first is R1. R1 equal to 2 multiplied by pivot point minus low. S1 equal to 2 multiply pivot point minus high. Okay. R2. R2 equal to pivot point plus high minus low. S2 equal to pivot point minus high plus low. Next is R3. R3 equal to R1 plus high minus low. S3 equal to S1 minus high minus low. R4 equal to R3 plus R2 minus R1. S4 equal to S3 minus S1 minus S2. So we don't want to understand these calculations. I have shown here for your understanding. Okay, you don't want to mug up all these formulas. Okay, this is just for understanding. How to trade with CPR and the pivot points. So if the price is in between the CPR, so this central line is the pivot point and this is the TC and this is the BC. TC means that is a top central level. So this blue line is the top central level and this line is the bottom central level. So if the price is in between, here we can see that the price is in between the CPR, that is between the pivot TC and the BC lines, it is considered as a no trade zone. So if the price is within the CPR, we are not supposed to enter into any trade. Here we can see if the price is above and below the CPR. Here we can see that the first candle itself, it's a green candle and it is above CPR. So if the price is trading above the CPR, means the trend is bullish. We can see here that's a red candle took support at the CPR level, and after that again we got the green candle trading above the CPR. So we can see that after that market took support from the CPR and took the target as R1, and after that price was trading above CPR. So it is a bullish, means the trend is bullish. Likewise, if the price is trading below the CPR, here we can see that this is the first candle, but still the trend is not bullish. If the first candle is a green candle, but still the trend is not bullish. Here we got the red candle and we got the rejection from the CPR. So the trend is bearish. So if the price is trading below the CPR, means the trend is bearish. Okay. We can see how can we trade if the TC breakdown happens. That is a scenario number 1. Okay. So here in this picture, the pink is the pivot and this is the TC, that is the top central level, and this is the bottom central level. BC is the bottom central level. If the price break down from BC and if the following candle breaks the low of the previous candle here, okay, breaks the low of the candle, one can consider into as a selling opportunity for the next target, and stop loss can be placed above the P. So this is the stop loss. So one can enter into the P trade. Okay. So what is the scenario number 2? BC breakout. Okay. If the price break out from TC and the following candle breaks the high of the previous candle. So here this pink line is the pivot and this blue line is the TC, and here the below bottom line is the bottom central level, that is the BC. So if the price break out from BC, here we can see that we got the breakout at BC. Okay. So we got this green candle above the TC level. So one can consider it as buying opportunity for the next resistance. So what is the next resistance? R1 is the next resistance. So we got the target achieved. Okay. And where can we place the stop loss? Stop loss can be placed below the P. This P is the stop loss. Okay. So we can enter into the above this green candle. Okay. And stop loss is below the P. So this is the Nifty 5 minutes time frame chart. So this is the CPR. Okay. So here the above blue line is the TC. Okay. That is top central level. Okay. And the next is pivot, that is P. Pivot point. Next is this below blue line is BC. That is bottom central level. So here if the price is breakdown, that is TC breakdown, if the price breakdown from BC, so this is the BC, and following candle breaks the low of the previous candle, here the following candle breaks the low of the previous candle, one can enter into the selling trade for the target of S1. So here the target got achieved, still we can trail our PE trade. Okay. So here this is the example for the TC breakdown. What is the scenario number 2? That is the BC breakout. So here this is the BC. Okay. So I will write down here. This is the BC. So BC breakout. Okay. This is the pivot point. And this is the TC. P I will write. Okay. So we are looking for the BC breakout. If the price breakout from the TC, so this is the TC, with the price breakout from the TC and following candle breaks the high of the previous candle, one can enter into the long trade. So what is the target? Target is R1. So that got achieved. So where can we place the stop loss? Below the pivot. So below the pivot point we can place the stop loss. So we didn't stop loss didn't get hit. So before that our target got achieved. So this is how we have to enter into the long trade if you are getting any BC breakout. Okay. In my next video, I will explain you how can we trade from the R2, R3 and from the R4, that is from the support and the resistance level, that is a reversal trade. How can we enter into the trade from S1 and S2 and S3 levels. Okay. This is my Telegram channel, Trader Chitra, currently having 8,000 plus subscribers. Here I used to share the Nifty and the Bank Nifty levels, that is a support and the resistance level for the next day trading. So I used to share this level every day evening, okay, for the next day. Okay, so today, that is August 31st, I have shared the Nifty resistance at 19,385 at 911. Okay, and after that we can see that market started falling down and Nifty made a low. Nifty was currently going down and Nifty made a low on low till 19,200 for the same day. Here I used to share the live levels. This is the free channel. You can join this channel, those who are doing intraday for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.